Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Can you guess the animal just by hearing its sound? Let's find out in today's challenge. Some are easy, but others might surprise you. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Listen carefully and guess the animal. This cute animal is a dog. Next one, can you recognize this animal? Here it is, it's a cat. Next one, can you find odd one emoji out? Good job, it's here, you nailed it. Listen carefully, which animal is this? You got it, it's a mouse. Next one, can you guess this animal? Wow, this fierce animal is a lion. Listen closely, what animal do you hear? Correct, this striped animal is a tiger. Choose your favorite animal. Like for lion. Subscribe for tiger. Also drop your answer in comments below. Can you recognize this animal by its sound? Amazing! This giant animal is an elephant. Next, listen carefully. Well done. This strong animal is a horse. Can you recognize this animal by its sound? Great. This gentle animal is a cow. Next one, look carefully and spot the difference between these two images. Good job, these are here. Listen carefully, what animal is this? Nice. This pink animal is a pig. Next one, can you recognize this animal? Good job. This fluffy animal is a sheep. Listen closely. Which animal do you hear? Correct. This clever animal is a goat. Next, boys, can you guess this animal? Awesome! This hardworking animal is a donkey. Listen carefully, which animal is this? Here it is. This animal is a chicken. Next one, look carefully and spot the difference between these two images. Good job. These are here. Next, can you recognize this animal? Good job! This loud animal is a rooster. Listen carefully. Which animal do you hear? Correct. This waddling animal is a goose. Next, can you guess this animal? Excellent. This big bird is a turkey. Thanks for watching. Drop your favorite animal in the comments. Also like and subscribe for more content like this. Goodbye.